Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Shadow from Sonic. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing Shadow from the movie Sonic. I hope you like this lesson. I want to try to make this lesson easy for you to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. We're gonna start in the middle of the paper, high here in the middle, and we're gonna do a big letter U. So I'm gonna go like this, and this is gonna be the start of his face. Okay, next we're gonna do this letter U now upside down. So I'm gonna start on the left side and we're gonna go up, and I want to try to get at the same height of the first letter U you did. Okay, imaginary line here where you're gonna stop. Now let's do the same on the other side, but this time the letter U is gonna be way thinner than this one. This one we did it big and down. This one is not gonna be so big. We're gonna start here, U shape, down, and I'm gonna stop when I get to the same line. Okay, now on the corners of these two, we're gonna do a curve here, and this is gonna be where the color change on his eye. He has like a red eyebrows. On the left side, right where we finish this line, we're gonna trace his nose. So the nose is gonna be an oval shape, so I'm gonna go sideways here with my oval shape. Okay, we're gonna start tracing the face. So I want to do a curve that goes up and it gets really close to this one. So we're gonna go up and down, and then here I'm gonna go down a little, going really close to the eye line and come back down. Okay, and if your lines don't touch here, we just can connect right here. Now we're gonna do a line that is gonna connect with the nose. So I'm gonna go here curving, going up and connect with the nose. For the mouth, he looks like very serious expression. So here in the middle, I'm gonna do a line that goes down like this. Now let's continue with the eyes, and I'm gonna make two oval shapes. The first one is gonna be here on the bottom, and I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna fill it like this, down. Okay, and the other one is gonna come from here, from behind this curve. I'm gonna connect with the nose, and it's gonna pass on the other side like this. Now I want to make a highlight here on the top, and that's gonna be white at the end. And the other side, we're gonna just put half of that curve right here. Okay, and the rest of the eye we're gonna color after with red color. Now let's continue up here with the ears. I'm gonna do the first ear here. We're gonna kind of do like an A shape that goes up and down, and it's a little sideways, and we're gonna do a triangle shape inside. Now on the other side, I'm gonna do a little curve that goes right next to the eye, and from here I'm gonna do my A shape, and this time the A shape is pointing to the right, and we're gonna do the triangle shape inside. Now in between the two ears, I'm gonna do a V shape that goes in and go close to the eyes and goes back up. And now we're gonna continue this line going over the ear on the left and come back and connect with the ear. Now this line we're gonna continue with this line, and we're gonna connect up here. And if your ear don't connect, just connect it with this line. Now from the ear again, I want to do one more that goes out to the left, and it's gonna come down really close to where the eye is. So it's gonna go down, and I want to stop at the same distance of where the eyes start. Now here we're gonna mark it twice because this also is gonna be on a red color, this part right here. Now we're gonna do one more triangle out to the left, come back in, and I want to stop before I get to the mouth, and we're gonna mark where the red color is gonna be right here. So he has one more in this side, so we're gonna start here at the same distance of the eye. We're gonna go out and connect with the nose, and you can mark again one more line. And before I draw the last one, let's start with the body. We're gonna start first with a little bit of fur he has on his chest, so I want to go underneath the mouth, and I want to start doing triangle shapes, two of them. It almost looks like a letter M. And then we're gonna do one more little one down here. And the last one is a letter B. Now from underneath the mouth, I'm gonna do the arms that goes out and down. The same thing on the other side, out and down. Now this arm, we can see how it is on his waist. So we're gonna leave a little bit of a space after this line, and I'm gonna do 1 and 2 curves, and this curve is coming out. And before it connects with the arm, I'm gonna make another curve here. Now we're gonna draw the rest of the arm, and we're gonna go up and out. And don't connect it with the fur. We're gonna leave a little bit of a space right there. Okay, we can do it here the same way. We're gonna go up, and this one connects with the fur. Now this space that you have here, we're gonna do a line that is part of the body, and the other line is gonna come down here, and it's gonna continue going down, passing the hand that we have here, and I want to match with another line on the other side. Now we're gonna draw the legs. Here in between these two lines, I'm gonna put a line that goes horizontal, and it's very short, and it's almost at the same distance of the hand. And now I want to draw the two legs that are coming out of this, 1 and 2. Now at the end of these two legs, we're gonna draw a rectangle shape. It's gonna look like this. I want to do my rectangle, and the bottom part is a little bit more round. Rectangle and round. Now here on the bottom, I want to get out of my shape a little, and I want to come around of this shape. Okay, around like this. Let's do the shoes, and the shoes are gonna be from the curve we see here. We're gonna go down in a diagonal line, now down on a square line. Now we're gonna go down, and on the back we're gonna go down but a little diagonal, and we're gonna do 2 bumps here on the bottom. So we're gonna go straight up, straight down, and we connect with the end of the shoes. Okay, let's do that again. We're gonna go to the left, up, left, and connect here again. Now I'm gonna kind of mark this shape again. I want to start diagonal here, and I'm just gonna follow the same shape I did here to the other side. So you start on the front, diagonal, and then just follow the same shape. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a diagonal line here on the end of the shoe, and this triangle shape that we end up with, we're gonna color with black. Now on the top of the shoe, we're gonna do a line here, and the back part is gonna be colored with black as well. Now let's finish the hands. I'm gonna start curving here, and we're gonna curve twice, and the other side too. 1, 2, and I'm just gonna do 2 curves. 1, 2, and we connect up here. And there, that's it. We finished. This character is called Shadow from the Sonic movie, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out with the colors. Here what I did, I colored leaving some white space, so that's helping, makes it look a little bit like fur. But you can color these completely black. I also used 2 tones of red here for this part. I went with the light color first, and then with the darker color on the edges. And at the end, I passed with a really light gray on the eyes and the details on the gloves, all the white parts, just to give a little bit more a 3D look. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!